This is our Chacha. Introduce. This is our car. Tell. Name Tata. And say Khalil Bia. And Tata. And Papa. Say hey guys.
Hey guys,
Welcome to my channel. Properly. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to
Kabini Resort.
Yes, good boy. अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज सुबह हम लोग कबिनी जंगल रिसोर्ट जा रहे हैं। ये करीबन 240 किलोमीटर है नीलसंदर से। एंड द प्लेस इज़ वेरी नाइस एंड इट्स वेरी एक्सपेंसिव पर हेड। अडल्ट्स के लिए ये करीबन 9,000 के करीब पड़ेगा। एंड एक जंगल सफारी मिलेगी, एक बोट सफारी मिलेगी और 3 टाइम का खाना मिलेगा इसमें। ये नागरहोले फॉरेस्ट जो है ना उसके बीच में आता। एंड दिस वाज द फेवरेट हंटिंग फॉरेस्ट ऑफ महाराजा ओडियार। लेट मी शो यू हाउ इज़ द रिसोर्ट, व्हाट सर्विस दे प्रोवाइड एंड क्या जानवर हम लोग को देखने मिलता है इसमें। बिकॉज आई हैव बीन टू ना बंडीपुर सफारी, दैट्स अ नॉर्मल सफारी विच द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ कर्नाटका अरेंज many times. Even the Madumalai safari I have visited, but whenever I go there, they say if you are lucky you will get to see tiger and कुछ देखने नहीं मिलता। जो रास्ते में बंडीपुर के जो मेन रास्ता है ना उसमें ज़्यादा जानवर दिखते हैं ये सफारी से। तो लेट्स सी ये लोग क्या दिखाते हैं हम लोग को। सुबह ही फजर के बाद निकले थे करीबन 5:30 एंड 10:30 जो एंट्रेंस गेट है ना वहाँ पे पहुँचे थे हम लोग। रास्ता मैसूर रोड बहुत अच्छा है। एंड आफ्टर कोलंबिया एशिया हॉस्पिटल यू हैव टू टेक लेफ्ट एंड यू हैव टू गो स्ट्रेट टू विजिट टू दिस प्रॉपर्टी। एंड दिस इज़ द एंट्रेंस ऑफ कबिनी जंगल लॉज एंड रिसोर्ट। एंड प्रॉपर्टी बहुत बड़ा है एंड यू विल गेट टू सी एज सुन एज वी एंटर देयर इज़ अ सिक्योरिटी चेक which we have to give the booking name and then they cross check कि booking है या नहीं and then they let us in. As soon as we go inside, we visited their office and did the registration formalities by giving the Aadhaar card of one person. And then they briefed us like what all we will get, like one jeep safari, one boat ride, and how many time foods we'll get and where we have to go if anything happen, whom we have to contact. This all information they will give us near the reception counter. बेंगलुरु का वेदर बहुत अच्छा था एंड इवन इसका वेदर बहुत अच्छा था बिकॉज इट्स raining heavily. And as soon as we entered the property the rain stopped but it was drizzling. So this is the entrance and we are going to the registration office. Yeah, finally हम लोग ऑफिस पहुंच गए हैं. Then we will do some formalities here inside. Go to office. Show me office. Say hey guys, this is office. Yeah, come take me to office. This is office. Go inside. This is office. This is office. Where are you?
I'm
Here. Wait. इधर लेंस से थोड़ा देख के. Go inside. This is our dormitory. So we are staying here. Shoot in the hello. Go little friend. क्या सोना है इधर पे? अरे नहीं भी सोना के ना नहीं. सोना भूल जाओ. This is our resort. Kabir, this is the property. गाँव है भाई, गाँव है. लोटा लेके बाहर आना पड़ता है, लोटे लेके. This is the restroom. Coming. Tell me which resort is this? Show me. Go that side. Go that side.
You go there, all right.
This side.
Yes,
Yes. Slowly, slowly. That's not. Wait. Straight, straight. We have to go straight, not there. क्या हो गया? क्या हो गया? Look properly and go. Coming. Come this side, left.
Up on the mountain.
Up on the mountain.
Left or right?
You tell me.
I think left.
No touching, Beto. Snakes will be there. This is deep forest.
When to go there?
Yes.
Wait,
See, uncle.
we have a knife.
To protect himself. Careful, look, friend. Go, keep going.
I'm keeping going.
Yes. Beto, come, we'll go see backwater and come.
Head north, then turn right.
Hey, this side. No, this side we have to go. Come. We're going backwaters.
Daddy!
Backwaters we'll see and come. Come.
Daddy!
No carry, beta. No, you have to walk.
Okay.
Backwaters. Oh, elephant. Bit elephant. No carry, walk. On the hand.
Papa spider. He's on my phone.
Where?
If he says to carry, it will come and bite me.
So come, we'll go see backwaters till they sleep. Okay, come, I will carry you. Come. Go, stand there, I'll take one photo. Bitu, go stand there, I will take one photo. Go, just run.
And go sit in the jeep.
Go fast.
Go sit in. Slowly. Wait. I'll open for you later.
Papa, you be right.
You come front. Go inside. Go inside. Go sit inside. Climb up. Sit here. No.
No, don't make it dirty.
Sit down, please. Don't make it dirty. Sit down.
You're driving.
Yeah.
Hold the steering. Come, let's go now. Okay? Now we have to go inside.
No. No, Papa. Mama.
Bitu, wait.
Never अभी एक राउंड में अभी पहुंचे ना हम। अभी एक राउंड लेके जा रहे हैं।
बैक वाटर्स जा रहे हैं, देख के तुर के
अच्छा ही है
बेबी कम दिस साइड, हुसैन कम दिस साइड, कम दिस साइड।
And Bambi.
हाँ, उनका अलग विला रहता है।
What's your third? And I'm
स्ट्रेट उनका अलग ही चलता एंट्री। कम है
What?
कम दिस साइड, स्ट्रेट
I'm going under.
कम हियर, बैक वाटर्स इज देयर, सी slowly oh my god, Ritu, I can see the water.
Hussein, even I can see water. Can you look front? It's like milk.
Water, danger water, Ritu. Slowly. If you go inside the water, I will not come. I'm telling you.
I should not go inside.
I don't know to swim.
Wait, Papa.
Slowly. गिर जाओगे।
You'll fall.
ये भी अच्छी है ना।
Oh, I saw something.
Come
Yeah,
slowly.
that was some insect.
You should not jump,
ऐसा
Ritu.
insect टूट गया सर कभी।
Ritu, slowly you will fall.
या तो
अच्छा है।
स्ट्रक्चर बना है देख टूट गया सर करो।
नहीं ऐसे लेता बहुत महंगा है ये। हाँ वही फोटे जाना। बेटू दिस साइड। कौन देंगे?
Come, you have to hold my hand. Uncle said.
Uncle said you have to hold Chacha's hand.
You will fall in the water. Then what will happen? There's a big crocodile inside.
Big crocodile.
Okay.
ये अच्छा ना रे। याद रख ले नेक्स्ट ये पानी के साइड का ले लेंगे।
My friend was holding hand and he fall down to the water. The time said, "Eat you." He said, "Yes, me."
Why you want to eat me? You're my friend, right?
You crocodile thing.
What?
Something. He is my friend.
Water.
Come,
You see?
hold Chacha's hand. Come. Go sit there. Say hey guys, see the water? Look at me.
Zeno, look at Chacha here.
Hey guys.
Zeno, look here.
Sir, picture.
More. Look up. Go more up. Climb up. More. Come towards the right. Come little right. Nice, right, Zeno?
Cottage.
Wait. Zeno, you have to turn around first. Say hi guys, then you have to go.
Slowly, slow.
I'm telling you that he opened.
You want to see the ocean? You this side. Come this side. The dirty is there. Come this side. Hold my hand. It's very deep. Hold my hand.
Try then.
No.
Sit down. Very scared.
No, don't
Picture
really
once in a
No,
Go. That's it. Go that side.
on the side. That is so much fish. Hey, fuck me. Oh, me. I'm holding the fish. Kissing my own self.
Zeno,
Mm.
say hi to Chachi.
Hi,
Wait, you have to take my help. Come.
Leave that, leave that.
No, keep that down.
Keep that.
Keep that down, then again you can take it back.
चलो 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 ऊपर.
You don't want to come up.
Are you dead?
एक second, रुको. Come fast.
Wait, I'm taking one video. Papa, don't tap that.
Come fast.
चलो 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 चाचा चाचा के साथ ऊपर चलो.
Come fast. Climb like this. Come. Come. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Climb. Put one leg up. Now put one more leg up. Okay, stop. Let me go back. Wait, let me go. Come. Stop. एक सेकेंड ही. Come. Wow. Come up. Wait. Don't leave.
Get careful careful.
Papa, you can do it.
Say hi guys.
Hey, and see. Oh, I got out of it. Now I'm going down. I'm putting this stick down. You want to put? I am doing fishing.
Sinu, look here.
He's doing fishing, Chachi. Yeah.
I'm making this dog sick.
Okay. Catch 5 fish for me.
Video चाचा stand up.
Oh, say.
Again.
Hey guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to Saint's channel.
Hi guys. Where am I going? We are going to Bunny Kita.
Where is this one?
Water. Big water.
पकड़ पकड़.
Look at him.
Guys, eat it.
Wait guys wait. Guys अभी एक दे guys. Wait.
What do you want? You want steak?
See guys, come.
Okay.
Come, guys.
Coming.
See. He's my friend.
Yes.
Then we go down.
Oh, look at this snail, such big snail. Come.
चलो पकड़ो.
Come. How will you go? You come. Catch me here. Come on.
Tata taking Shinu.
Papa, come here. You got
Marek.
Papa, come here. Look here. Papa, come here.
This is not snail. What is that?
I don't know. Hey, why, Tata?
Oh my God, it was so dangerous.
Why you did that?
Can we catch him?
No, see the legs we do. No, don't touch him. Don't touch him.
It will make it
Wait,
straight.
it will.
We'll make it straight.
Wait to see this one. So many legs he has. Hussein, see here. Hussein, see here. What I'm doing?
See, he's turning now.
He turned it.
Now he can walk.
No touching. He will die. Betu. No. Betu, please. Hey, चलो हो गया. Let him go. Hey, Betu, see, he became round.
Like a chocolate. Become like a chocolate.
See?
You want to eat the chocolate?
Why are you scared?
Yes, he's scared of you.
Why? Why are you scared of me?
पकड़ो उसे.
But where are you going?
Come this side. We'll go there. क्या है? क्या है?
अन्य का बड़ा अंदर जाकर
Keep going. Keep following. Follow the trail. Follow the trail. This one. This is the trail. Keep going, my baby.
वोटिंग के लिए दिखता है जाने के क्या बोला हमारा पास
See mushroom.
Where do you see mushroom?
Where's mushroom?
Come, I'll carry you. Come. Wait.
Where's the mushroom?
Yeah, this one.
This is mushroom.
Where is that?
This is mushroom.
No eating, no eating. It will break.
Bitu, it's here. See, one more is here. So, touch.
So many, right?
Oh my God, Bitu, I'm getting afraid.
I'm not getting afraid.
You're not getting afraid? Wait, let
I
me.
have one stick.
Come on, stick.
Yeah.
Yes, come. We'll go that side.
View
Let-
the further side.
Chacha will carry you.
Yeah, also.
Hmm? छोड़ दे ताता उसे.
Go,
Slowly,
go from
slowly.
that side. ये क्या जा सकती है इसमें कैसा?
अरे ये
Hey, this side, come here, danger.
Now I'm dashing the stick. I'm
Look
dashing.
front, there is a stick there.
Okay, one more. It fall down.
Slowly,
Oh.
slowly. Go from up, it's okay.
Hmm.
But just stand. Hey, रुको मैं जाकर
Wait, wait.
इधर रुको मैं जाता हूँ इससे.
See it, Chacha.
Where is the say no? Where is the say no? Where is the say no? Peekaboo. Zeno, look here.
Why taking?
Come.
Stand.
Going.
That's too dangerous.
Then you hold this and stand, please.
Hold this and stand on bed.
You
Leave
hold
the
this
stick,
and
leave the
stand,
stick,
you'll-
leave the stick.
You'll find it nice.
Hold it, hold it.
Leave the stick, leave the stick. Hold. Hussein. Hey, Hussein.
Hi.
Where are you?
I'm here.
In the water. We're floating. That's the view of the watching. Okay. Papa and Chacha, wait. Stop. Hi. Where are you going, Hussein? क्या सिर जरा फिर रहा देखे
Huh? ये
कड़े थे इसमें सिर
यही।
नहीं करा दे
चलो चलो. We'll go that side. It's very far. Boat is there.
We'll go to the boat.
Come. चलो जी हाँ एक सेकंड देख के आएंगे. We're not going inside the boat.
डोंगी भी है उसे you stand here, I'll take a nice video, okay?
Stand in front. Hussein, go. Keep walking. Keep walking.
Come on, go.
Keep walking. Keep walking. What uncle doing?
Elephant boat.
Yeah.
Please. Hey, who did that thing?
1, 2, 3, jump.
कूद देता हूँ उसे क्या? कितना आता है तुझसे?
You know how to swim?
This is the boat where we go safari. Huh?
He knows how to swim. See how he knows how to swim. Sure.
You know how to swim? Water. A black panther. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Look front.
Look front.
Look front. Look front. Hold my hand. आई पकड़ 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 ले पकड़ ले पकड़ ले खुद तो पकड़ ले
चलो 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 चलो
टर्न नहीं हो रहा उसका अकॉर्डिंग चलो चलो
Leave, it's okay. It's not coming down. Good. Yeah. What? What?
Water.
Huh?
It then went there.
Hmm.
And this is the right.
Hmm.
Nine in the same park. Park.
Yeah.
Yes. In the same park. See?
I remember.
Yes.
You remember?
Yes. This park.
You also remember Bitu?
Yes.
खाने का
In the same park.
फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस रिसोर्ट वाले को दी मगर नहीं प्रेफरेंस नहीं ये केयरफुल कम कम दिस इज गोल घर एक टर्न मार एक टर्न मार डूब दे पापा हैंड्स ओ बेटू सो मेनी हैंड्स भाई भाई चल भाई बहुत ही कंफर्ट भाई डू We are going to bring Tyres up. He's sleeping. He missed all the fun.
What?
He missed all the fun.
This is all the fun.
Yeah.
Hi.
Come. Just go and say hi.
Chip, 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 chip.
हमारी नसीब में बारिश नहीं पड़ रहा अच्छा क्या है उधर पर
And number.
और अंदर है जी पानी के बगल में ले ले प्रॉपर्टी ठीक है नहीं ये सराय भी अच्छा है भाई वो 5 स्टार ना Renu, see this one. Come here. That's some other view. छोड़ चल लेके जाता हूँ छोड़ वेट हाँ कर साइड में करा के ना जल्दी साइड में करा जल्दी remove and do put your switch outside wait I will go friend then you have to come wait to take a nice video of this come say hi guys
Hi guys.
पैंट इसके ऊपर वगैरह बंद कर भाग रहा था पानी के पास that we have to go that side I think so office is there I can see पैंट खाली एक बंद करा अंदर से फोटो can you see we came from here right papa हां बाखला तेरे Hussein wait we'll catch cold and mama will scold us wait thanks and wait I can see a birdie here दो मामा क्या है कहीं को नहीं लाया इसको तो यहाँ अकेला सुकून से आज तक मन 2 गोरियां दिखले खुश हो गया है आजा कम uncle is coming home come fast we'll change and come we'll wait for me I thought Hussein knows the shortcut what for me don't know shortcut? How? You have to go this
This
way?
is
Or you have to go straight?
Maharaja Bungalow. We Kabir, Maharaja Bungalow. We are staying in Maharaja Bungalow.
Go fast. See, drink your blood.
यहाँ से देंगे वहाँ से चले जाएंगे.
वो वाला मत साहब,
Hmm.
ये बंगलो है,
Come, come, come,
ऑफिस सामने है.
come, 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 come.
Come, I'll give you new stick. My
No,
first
stick.
stick for Hussein.
This is the office.
Where is what happened?
No, no, no. ये guy. चलो, चलो,
Okay, now you can run. You have to run, then you have to turn around.
चलो, चलो, चलो. अब उसके देख कब है सफारी.
चल करो नहीं है आसान.
Hussein, see this one.
बोला खाने के बाद में सफारी में. पूरे एक साथ जाते हैं नहीं.
What you saw?
Zero.
Huh?
पूरे एक साथ जाते हैं.
हाँ, मान भाई back to back.
There.
Where?
That thing.
Yes,
Aaron?
पापा.
Huh?
Simple पापा.
Wait, Bitu.
Big पापा.
Really big.
Very big.
कौन आया सर कौन? कौन आया सर?
Oh, what is it?
कौन आया सर?
डॉमेट्री चेकिया का अलग कर दिया डॉमेट्री. उनको अच्छा व्यू दिया दे. मस्त पानी के सामने उतरता है मन.
कॉटेज में ज़्यादा बढ़िया है. कॉटेज में तो चेक कर लो कितने ऑक्सीजन चाहिए. 2 रूम तो ही.
हाँ, दोन.
हैंड वॉश फेस वॉश कम. हमें पूरा घूम फिर के आगे तुम आगे अब आ रहे हैं. What you saw? You say Khalibia?
Hey, Toby. That is not a tail.
Want to touch?
No, I don't want.
This is dormitory. His Khalil, Kabir,
Say hi.
his Hussein Khan. This guy, he didn't drive whole way since from Nilsandra to Kabini, but still he's sleeping. They came to sleep here.
Spider! Look at something. Spider come.
ये महाराजा रिसोर्ट है. नेक्स्ट टाइम इंशाल्लाह इफ वी गो विल स्टे हियर. एंड ये लोग 1.5 घंटा सोने के बाद पूरे फ्रेश हैं, तो वी थॉट लेट आई कबीर एंड हुसैन जॉइन देम एंड हैव वन राउंड विद देम. But I feel like staying in Maharaja and staying in dormitory, there is no difference because whole day you will be outside busy doing some other activities, and when you come back to the bed you will be exhausted, you will go sleep, and then next day morning 5 o'clock again you have to get up to go for boat safari or jeep safari. So better to save money, go for dormitory by paying 8,500 instead of 18,000 per head. So this is what my personal advice is. Rest is your call. Like if you want luxury, if you want jeep safari, then definitely you have to go to Maharaja to experience the different level. As we stayed in dormitory, they gave us bus, which you will see in the future video. ये टेंट है. अगर फैमिली के साथ जा रहे हैं तो आई एडवाइज़ यू टू गो विद द टेंटेड कॉटेज इंस्टेड ऑफ डॉर्मेटरी, बिकॉज अगर डॉर्मेटरी लिए तो अजनबी में भी आके आपके साथ रुकते हैं एक ही प्लेस में, तो आई पर्सनली डोंट एडवाइस व्हेन यू गो कपल और विथ फैमिली.
Go sit there.
Suppose if you have a girl or a girl child in your family and you're planning to go there, better to take the cottage.
Go sit there.
And this is little bit higher than the dormitory in terms of price value.
छोड़ चलता हूँ मैं.
ये वाला 50, ये वाले कितने?
ये वाला भी.
The property is next to the river, Kabini River, and it's next to the Nagarole forest. So you will get to see lot of insects and other creature at the property. So just be careful. If you take a small kid, take mosquito repellent with you, because I took mosquito repellent and I kept spraying at Hussein, but even then something have bitten him many places in the body. When I came back and realized, okay, something have bitten him in many places. So still now after 2-3 days I'm still applying cream on his body. As it was a rainy season, the water was too much at the Kabini river. So if you take children with you, just be careful and hold their hand. Don't leave them alone when you are near the water. So this is what I personally advise, because after seeing the water, even I don't feel like going inside the water, because the water was muddy due to the heavy rain, and so you can see in the video
So change it with you.
the force of the water which is like hitting the ground.
गल्ला नहीं पीछे पकड़. चलो. Hussein.
Only.
Hussein, come back. Come back. Water. Where to know going there? Where to know?
Yeah, after recording the video, having a good time with my son near the water.
शुक्र है. Hey, पैसा नको देर. नहीं तो हाथ पकड़ो उसका.
पकड़ के रख नहीं, यहाँ पे
उतरो मा नीचे. ऐसा सामने आप उतरो.
This is the Titanic cruise with me and Hussein.
हाँ जा बा. चलो सभी चलो. देखो सब जन इधर देखो.
Hi guys.
जरा पीछे जाओ, मैं पलटता हूँ. परवा नहीं तब भी दिखता है. तो सही है.
It's going.
मैं चुप गया था कि मैंने तेरे वेट किया. अब वैसा उड़ गए.
खींचो न कोरे. या वीडियो लिया. पीछे जा. वीडियो से क्या करते करो.
The food what they provide is really nice. I I personally like the food what they serve, and it's an halal because I have been to this property many times, and they also confirm that the food what they serve is halal. You can see there is lot of variety which you can eat, even if you don't want to eat non-veg. Being a Muslim, if you don't trust them, there is lot of option. Fish is of course it's halal, so you can eat fish, and egg. Other items are there, vegetables are there, and other vegetarian foods are there, so you can eat that.
चलो 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 भाई ಏನಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಇದು ಏನಿದೆ ಮುದ್ದೆ ಓಕೆ ರಾಗಿ ಮುದ್ದೆ
After eating lunch, immediately we have the bus safari. Most of them like waiting for the safari, and Hussein is talking to stranger, having good time with them, explaining where he came from. So I really had a high hope at this jungle resort that I will get to see tiger and leopard. First thing we saw deer, hiran. बहुत सारे हिरन थे, मेल एंड फीमेल. जंगली हिरन है. दिस इज़ जंगली हिरन. देयर इज़ अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन द deer what you see in Bannerghatta Zoo and this one. And this is not human fed. This is completely natural habitat. See, the male deer is walking. बहुत सारे हिरना देखने के बाद होप्स थोड़े हाई हो गए थे कि विल गेट टू सी अदर एनिमल टू. सो वी स्टार्टेड मूविंग and exploring the jungle. The jungle is very big as per the guide, and it is divided into zone A, B, C and D. So first zone what we have visited is B zone, where you will get to see this water, Kabini river. So they took us near the river thinking that some animal will come and drink water. But during the rainy season, you will have a small pond inside the forest, and as the water force is too much near the river bank, so we could not see any animal near the river. So we came back again, exploring the jungle. We saw sambar. It's a male sambar, and there was a baby with it.
There's a patch kind of thing.
सांबर देखने के बाद आगे बढ़े हम लोग, थिंकिंग विल एक्सप्लोर मोर एंड विल गेट टू सी मोर. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमारी जो बस थी वो चिकड़ में स्टक हो गई थी, एंड टिल वी गेट दी हेल्प from the resort it took minimum half an hour. So everybody was like waiting, गरीब डॉर्मेटरी मतलब बस देते करके, thinking that help will come. कभी नहीं सफारी help came, but it took a lot of time. Our valuable time was getting consumed now waiting at one place. This was a little bit upset that everybody was upset that could see only deer and sambar and peacock, and there was a nevla mongoose, which we saw, the colorful nevla, really nice. We got this poor safari because we paid less money. एक घंटा वेट करने के बाद 30 to 45 minutes वेट करने के बाद हाई हॉर्स थे ना, जो टाइगर दिखता है, जो
वो मैं एक बार मैच निकल जाती है फिर बनेगा ठीक को तेरा ना बरदार
चिकड़ में चले गए. Finally the help arrived, the other bus which tried to pull 3-4 times, but after the 4th time they successfully got the bus inside the bus. चिकड़ से निकल गई, so we had boarded the bus. thinking we will get to see something, but time was very less. It was almost like 5:30 that time. Hey! Keep going, keep going, keep going! Don't stop, don't stop! Winner! Yay! Ajo bhai. After our bus got stuck in the mud, we were very disappointed with that. Then finally, this guy showed up, the male tusker. His tusk was bigger than his trunk. Just look at him. वो उसके दांत जितने बड़े हैं ना. And he saw us waiting for him. Then he started approaching us. We forgot everything after seeing him. What happened? Our bus got stuck. We could not see anything. Just by seeing him walking towards us, we forgot each and everything what happened with us. That the safari was completely failure. No, it's not failure. It is like we were like waiting for him to come towards us. The male elephant. His tusk was bigger than his trunk. Slowly he started approaching towards us. You can see him running towards our bus. He was really in the good mood. Because of that, he was walking slowly. See, we started going back when he came on the road. More than 2 kilometers he chased us. So more than 2 kilometers we went in a reverse gear. So experience बहुत अच्छा था इसका. And you can see the video. I have more than 2-3 minutes video. I have he keep chasing us. So it was really a nice experience we had at the Kabini River, Jungle and Lodge Resort at Nagaroli. Everyone was like happy after seeing this male tusker. See how slowly he is walking. The length of his tusk. How he is carrying himself.
एक सेकंड में
Papa.
After the safari, we came back and we had dinner. So I did not capture the dinner because I was very tired and I had to take care of Hussein. So, and even next day morning at 5 o'clock, we have to get up again because they gave us one more safari. They gave us the option whether to take boat safari or land safari. So we all decided to take the land safari. Early morning we got up at 5 o'clock and we boarded the bus, and this is the entrance of Nagarhole Forest, Kabini. And very excited that we'll see tiger today. There was a deer calling we heard. A single call is also known as a mating call. But deer with langur calling is definitely something. So we were like excited. There is a chance to see the tiger today. Finally the dream came true. Everybody was like excited to see the tigress walking. Yes, this is the forest Nagarhole Kabini, and this is a forest tiger. This is not a zoo tiger. So it's like 2-3 minutes she gave us to capture her, then she went inside the bushes and disappeared.
देख ले नहीं वहाँ क्या देखे नहीं मेल है या कौन है फीमेल लेफ्ट साइड में there's one more on the left yeah that's a female female have a small touches
In the left side also there is a two one. You can have
name
उसकी निकाली थी
they're going to build something
No, they are removing it. Yeah.
cross कर दे
It's coming this side.
क्या बोला?
कहाँ?
Okay, done? Elephant? Yes. No, not yet. Hold on. No. Hello? Hello?
Wild dog.
Wild dog, yes.
Where's your phone?
It went inside. Yeah. He's still there.
Come here. You are perfect. Fear. Bite the shit out of you. कुत्ता ही होता है नहीं.
The snout is different.
एक बार ज़्यादा देखने के
Yesterday we saw the whistling.
There's so messy.
Who's sitting?
इससे मार पड़ेगा पीछे वाले को. लंगड़ लग जा रहा था.
No, you have to see tiger. Finally, our Nagarhole safari came to an end. So after reaching to the resort, we came back home. Today we have reached 50,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for following and liking our page.